So today I was thinking we could do a little rhyme about some elephants. And there's going to be, at the end, there's going to be 5, but we're going to start off with 1. And we're going to say that they're in a bathtub. There's a bathtub on my board there. So an elephant is going to be in the bathtub, and he's going to be going for a swim. And then we're going to say, knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. And we're going to add another one. So you can use your fingers like this. And these can be your elephants, okay? And I'm going to use little elephants. Sound good? Okay, so let's start out. We got to start out with 1, right? Get your finger. Ready? 1 elephant in the bathtub. Going for a swim. Ready? Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. How many are there now? Ready? 1, 2, 2. Ready? 2 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. How many now? 1, 2, 3. Can you show me 3 fingers? Good. Ready? 3 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. Oh, goodness. How many now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Show me 4 fingers. 4 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. How many are in there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Oh, this one's going to be different. Instead of coming on in, they're all going to fall in the tub. Ready? 5 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. They all fell in. That's kind of fun, isn't it? Do you think all those elephants would fit in the bathtub? I don't think so. I think they're too big. But elephants take baths at big bodies of water because they're out on the desert and they're walking around and they get dirty a lot. So they can all take baths together. That's kind of fun, isn't it? What kind of stuff can you do together? Oh, you could go in your swimming pool together, can't you, with some friends? And you can splash and you can count and pretend you're an elephant in the bathtub. That would be a lot of fun today. Have a good day. Bye.